Welcome to Elmelund Forest, just outside the city of Odense. Drinking water in Denmark is based exclusively on groundwater. The different layers of soil and clay in the ground work as a natural filtration system, providing the city of Odense with high-quality drinking water. The forest we are looking at here has been established with the main purpose of protecting the well field from sources of pollution on the surface. When managed and protected properly, groundwater can provide a reliable and sustainable source of high-quality drinking water, as it is not as vulnerable to climate change like surface water is. Join us as we follow the groundwater from well to tap. Calculations determine how much groundwater should be extracted from each well, depending on the real-time demand. The abstraction is done with a focus on sustainable use of the natural resource and considers water quality, energy use, groundwater levels, and the surrounding nature. The abstracted groundwater is then transported in pipes to the local waterworks. We are now at Center Denmark in the city of Odense, one of the oldest waterworks in Denmark. The waterworks has a high degree of automation, surveillance, and online measurement, all of which make it possible to manage and protect the drinking water in an efficient way. Once the water is at the waterworks, only a very simple treatment takes place. The water is aerated and filtered before being sent out to the consumers. That's it. The brick building you can see in front of you now is a booster station, where enhancers are used to ensure sufficient water pressure, even in remote parts of the system. If you look below, you can see how drinking water is distributed onwards from the booster station and throughout the city. Keeping a constant pressure in the network flow prevents pollution from entering the water stream through minor cracks in the pipeline systems. This also means that chemicals like chlorine do not have to be added to the drinking water. Pressure management ensures a flexible level of pressure to meet customer demands throughout the day. We are now at a site where there is some maintenance works going on. If you look down at the hole in the ground, you will see a blue water pipe. Leakage levels in Danish drinking water networks are amongst the lowest worldwide. In recent years, the Danish water loss levels have on average been less than 7%. At Center Denmark, it's been stable at less than 6% for years. The key is to identify where the returns of investment will be highest, the so-called economic level of leakage. Reducing water loss to this level can be achieved through these four guiding principles: pressure management, active leakage control, pipeline management and rehabilitation, speed and quality of repairs. Minimal water loss is also the result of skilled craftsmanship and the use of quality materials, considering total cost of ownership, as well as establishing a long-term asset management strategy. We are now looking out over the city of Odense, Denmark's third largest city. You might be wondering, how do Danish water utilities, like Center Denmark, obtain sufficient funds to maintain such an efficient system? Consumers here in Odense, and in Denmark in general, pay for only what they use, and what they use is meter measured at each connected house. The average water price in Denmark is approximately €9 per cubic meter. Approximately 2/3 of this covers the handling of wastewater. This may sound expensive, but relative to household income in Denmark, the Danes merely use 1.4% of household spending on water, well below the United Nations recommendation of a maximum of 3%. Paying for what you use is probably also one of the reasons why Danes only use 101 litres of water a day on average. The price helps create less demand and a more sustainable use of the natural water resource. Globally, we all share the need for clean and stable supply of drinking water. In some countries, the imminent need for water due to climate change, pollution, and population growth is nothing short of critical. Sustainable use of groundwater combined with an efficient water distribution system can be part of the solution. Collaboration between researchers, water utilities, and private water companies mean that Denmark is constantly developing new solutions and improving old ones to save energy, protect water resources, and to deliver high-quality drinking water to consumers. We will leave you here where we started, to enjoy a little bit more of Elmerland Forest. Thank you for watching.